Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got diamond painting from my classroom for passing the test, and I got it in a treasure box. I'm in my parents' room right now because, yeah, I want to. I got diamond painting, so I'm using these pink ones. That looks so cool. I'm using these pink ones, and I'm going to put the pink ones on this one. I have the glue, the pen, and I have the colors to add inside the plate. So I'm going to show you how it works. You're supposed to grab the glue. I am sweating, Mom. Okay, you're supposed to grab the glue. You take like some of it off and put it right there. Just put it right there. And then you have some glue on your pen. Just like that. And you grab a diamond. Sticks on your pen. You just put it... Okay. So I added these two in the bottom. I added those two. I'm sweating. I changed because I was wearing leggings, and I literally just put like sweatpants on. What was the whole point of changing? Alright guys, these on the edge, I literally just added those. Yeah. I'm sweating. I look like Frankenstein. Okay, so. Okay guys, so I switched places because my dad left. What? Why is it blue? Guys, my dad's coming back, so I'm just gonna go to the treadmill. And yeah. Roses are red, but it's a blue. My heart is dead. I am back. I am in a different place that has light, and yeah, I have more lights.
Battery?
Huh?
Are you killing my battery?
No, it's a 65%. Don't know what to do. This can't be real in the back of my shirt. Okay, guys, go to part 2.